Is your Hyundai Ioniq constantly dropping its connection to Apple CarPlay? Let's fix those glitches in 2 minutes. Studies show that nearly 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by faulty cables or minor software bugs. Before you visit the dealer for a system update, let's run through these essential diagnostic steps. Start by replacing your cable with a factory-certified one, cleaning your phone port, and unpairing the device from your infotainment system entirely. Secondary culprits include outdated iOS software or Bluetooth signal interference that confuses the head unit during initialization. If it still drops, try toggling Siri permissions or performing a network reset on your iPhone to refresh the handshake protocol. If these software steps fail, the issue may be hardware, like a faulty USB module, which requires professional dealer assistance. As you can see, testing cheap fixes first saves you significant diagnostic fees at the dealership. Advanced users should check for communication bus errors using an OBD scanner or attempt a manual firmware update via the Hyundai website. Keep a basic toolkit in your glove box, including contact cleaner for those temperamental USB ports. Remember that technology often just needs a clean slate to reconnect properly. If this helped you stay connected, like and subscribe for more Ioniq troubleshooting guides.